Alright, so today we'll be taking a look at the Nike Adapt BB. See what they're all about. I've already opened them. Pretty cool. Case is pretty big. Came in at around 9 pounds. Shipping was around 3 days. Pretty good. So retail price is about USD 350. Got a size 10.5 men's. Women's size 12. So let's open this up. See what it's about. First, when you get them, you're gonna have to take off a little cover like this. That is gonna be on top of that box. I already took it off, so you don't have to worry about it. Once you open it, this part seems a little weird, but it isn't really. You're gonna wanna take this out like that, pull it out. And the same thing on the other side. Take it out, like that. Now, shoe will be under here. That's how they come covered. So, you know, I usually unbox a shoe. Take it off. Like that. Alright. Once you got the wrap off, you're gonna see that they look like this. You got your two little buttons on the side, one to unlace and one to lacen to make it stronger, tighter, I mean. Same thing on the other side. And on the tongue, see it says Nike on one side and the Nike swoosh on the other. Take this out. You'll see that it says something in the inside. Just something that they added. You'll see that it says right foot, the left foot. Now, we'll do a full review on these right now. Underneath the shoe, let's see that there's the charging pad. There's a plastic on top of the charging pad. Charging pad's really thin. This Nike Adapt Charger 1.0. And here, this bag is a charging cable. Regular, simple charging cable. Underneath you'll see it says Nike Adapt EARL-BB. According to Nike, these shoes, the battery in the shoes should last around 2 weeks on one charge. The estimated time for them to charge is around 3 hours to fully charge from 0%, but I doubt that anyone's gonna take them down that low. But when your batteries are dying and you're still wearing them, they said that that your shoes will save enough battery to unlace it when you're about to charge it. So that's how the shoe is. Alright, so right now we will be putting them on, trying them on, and we'll see how they tighten and they loosen with the app. So, putting them on, it's kind of a tight fit already, as you can see. I set them so that they auto lace already as soon as my foot enters the shoe. Same thing with the other shoe. Do the exact same thing. Now with the app,
You got the left foot, you got the right foot. When I press the left foot, see if you can see right here. Left foot, all the way up. See that tightened? Loosen all the way. There we go. You want to loosen both at the same time? You got this button right here. Now they'll both be doing it. And then, yep, exactly. They start to tighten by themselves. This one, just gotta, same thing. Now they're both good. And when you're going to play, you can put them all the way up. It's a little bit tighter. Well, kind of a lot tighter. And it's for high performance. If you're getting ready to go to your game, you want a tighter fit so your shoes don't feel loose. That's what it's for. On the app, you're also able to see the battery life of both the shoes or each pair. Okay, so now from within the app, you'll be able to change the color. Just press that. As you can see, it'll be changing the color. Pink, light pink, red, lighter red, yellow kind of color, a brighter yellow, even the actual yellow, light green, and a dark green, white, and back to the regular color. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this content that I am posting, let me know in the comments below and I'll post more videos about it.